Today we're making one of my all-time favorite sandwiches, banh. This is one of the iconic dishes from Vietnamese street food, born in the bustling streets of Saigon. Let's start with the pickles. You'll need about 1 daikon and 4 medium carrots. Peel the carrots first, then cut them into sticks, about 3 inches long. Peel and trim the daikon in order to make it easier to handle. Cut it into slabs, then into sticks, about 3 inches long and just under a 1/4 inch thick. Place the daikon and carrots into a clean container. Sprinkle in 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt, and pour over 1 1/4 cups of white vinegar. Seal it up, give everything a good mix, and let it sit in your fridge, just until you lose patience. And if you want to learn more about making pickles, check out my video, How to Make Homemade Pickles, Pickling 101. I'm using 1.3 kilograms or just under 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. For the marinade, start with 3 brimming tablespoons of hoisin sauce. Then add 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 to 4 dashes of Maggi seasoning, 1 teaspoon of Chinese spice, just over a tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, followed by 3 generous tablespoons of honey. Finally, add 3 cloves of garlic, pressed or minced. Mix everything together, making sure to coat the chicken thoroughly. Let it marinate overnight or at least half an hour. Once the chicken is marinated, take it out of the fridge and let it come to room temperature. This step makes all the difference for even cooking. Then, heat up a cast iron skillet until it's smoking hot. Lay the chicken down and let it sear. Flip the chicken constantly as it cooks. That way it caramelizes beautifully without burning. Keep it moving until the outside is golden, sticky, and the inside is cooked through. Let it rest for as long as you cooked it, then slice it into thin strips. Make sure to keep the pieces thick enough so you can actually taste the chicken in every bite of your banh. Now it's time to build. Split open a crisp baguette, spread a light layer of butter inside for richness, add the juicy chicken, then lay in some cool, crunchy cucumber slices. Top with a generous amount of your homemade pickles and finish with plenty of fresh coriander. And there it is, banh. This is the best sandwich you'll ever have. The true taste of Vietnamese food. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.